How to deal with FOMO in trading. So first of all, what is FOMO? FOMO is the fear of missing out. Basically, fearing, like literally just fearing, missing out on certain things. Like, let's say, your friends are going out to a party and you're not allowed to go to the party. You might not even be invited to the party, and so you fear of missing out on things that you think might happen at the party. Like, you tell yourself it's gonna be fun, even though you don't know how it's gonna be, but you fear um of missing out on the party basically. And so in trading, you fear of missing out on a trade, missing out on money that you could have made in a certain trade, even though your strategy, or not your strategy, your trading plan tells you you're not supposed to be in the trade. You still gonna enter the trade regardless because you are so scared of missing out on making money, right? And so how do you overcome, or how do you deal with the fear of missing out on trading? You basically wanna um, develop the opposite of FOMO, which is JOMO, right? Um, the joy of missing out. Like, you need to find joy in missing out on trades. And how do you do that? By um, changing your way of thinking of trading. Like, instead of feeling excited to be in a trade, instead of thinking every trade is gonna be a win, you tell yourself that I expect this trade to be a loss. Every single trade you expect it to go straight to SL. That way you're never gonna feel excited to be in any extra trades. And now you shouldn't now be afraid to take trades that you are supposed to take, because then you're gonna end up just fearing trading. And that's not what I'm telling you to do. I'm telling you to be afraid of taking extra trades, right? Trades that where after you already took the amount of trades where you that you were supposed to take, you are scared of taking extra trades. And so firstly, you have to set a certain amount of trades you take per day, per week, and per month, right? Um, and that's where the trading plan comes in. And I made a video on the trading plan as well. So go watch that video. So let's say you take one trade a day, and so you took the trade and it was a loss. But instead of feeling FOMO, instead of having a fear of missing out on a next setup you see after your first trade was a loss, you feel scared to enter the trade because you expecting it to be a loss as well. And so you feel FOMO because you have the joy of missing out on the trade. So let's say I'm gonna use the party as an example again. There's a party, and you know, someone told you that if you go to this party, you have a 35% chance of dying. I don't know whether that's um I don't know how you're gonna die, get shot or drown, whatever. But you have a 35% chance of dying. Are you still gonna wanna go to the party? Even though the odds of you staying alive is higher than the odds of you dying, there's still a chance of you dying. Are you gonna go to the party? No, you most likely not gonna wanna go to the party. And so you're gonna feel FOMO instead of FOMO, right? You're gonna feel the joy of being able to miss out on a chance to die. The same with trading, you're gonna feel the joy of missing out on a chance to lose money. And that's basically the only thing I can, the only advice I can give on FOMO, because me, I personally don't have any struggles with FOMO. I don't have the fear of missing out on any setups. After I took the trades that I was supposed to take, um, I'm done basically. I don't even, in the first place, I don't look at other setups. And that could be my second top actually, to after you already took trades that you were supposed to take, just step away from the charts. Don't look at the charts again. That way you won't even feel FOMO, you won't even feel JOMO, you won't feel anything really, because you're away from the markets. Um, but now if you haven't taken the amount of trades that you were supposed to trade, but you see a setup that um doesn't tick off something in your strategy, on your strategy, like let's say you only take a trade after a certain sweep, after a certain liquidity sweep, and price didn't sweep that level yet, but you feel like if you enter the trade, you can make so much money. You should just remember that that trade is most likely gonna be a loss, and feel joy being able to watch the trade go to SR instead of feeling FOMO. Um, and then you enter a trade and then you just lose your money. If you felt like this was useful advice, make sure to like and make sure to subscribe, and also comment down below how you deal with FOMO in trading.